Have you ever wondered how you could take your artistic skills to the next level? Would you like to create art pieces like the stunning ones you've seen online? Have you struggled with making art in the past? Do you dream of crafting amazing portraits of your favorite characters or designing terrifying monsters and villains for your Dungeons and Dragons sessions? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of AI art using ChatGPT and MidJourney to help unlock your hidden creative potential. You'll be amazed at how these powerful tools can transform your artwork, regardless of your current skill level. Get ready to be inspired and learn how you, yes you, can create stunning digital masterpieces using AI. So, grab your tablet, stylus, or even just your mouse, and let's embark on this artistic adventure together. Stay tuned, and let the magic begin. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use 3 incredible tools to create stunning art: AIPRM, Chrome extension, ChatGPT, and MidJourney. By combining the power of these tools, you can revolutionize your creative process and bring your artistic vision to life. AIPRM, or AI Prompt Manager, is a fantastic Chrome extension that offers a curated selection of ChatGPT prompts specifically designed for various fields such as marketing, SEO, sales, customer support, copywriting, and more. Developed by the experienced team behind Link Research Tools and URL Inspector, AIPRM is a reliable and user-friendly software that you can trust. Now, let's get started with installing AIPRM. Don't worry, it's just like installing any other Chrome extension. Here are the simple steps to follow. Open your Google Chrome browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type AIPRM and hit enter. Locate the AIPRM extension from the search results. Click on the AIPRM logo to go to the extension page. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the extension. Click on Add Extension to proceed. The AIPRM icon will now appear in your browser's toolbar, and you're all set to start using it. With AIPRM installed, you can easily access ChatGPT prompts to optimize your website, research new product strategies, and excel in sales and support for your SaaS. Now that you've installed the AIPRM Chrome extension, it's time to dive into using AIPRM on ChatGPT to create MidJourney prompts. AIPRM, in combination with ChatGPT, enables us to craft clear prompts. A prompt is a set of instructions and a description of your desired outcome, which helps guide the AI to produce the results you're seeking. By creating well-structured prompts, you can direct the AI to generate more precise and relevant responses, ultimately leading to superior AI-driven art. We will be using AIPRM to generate a prompt in ChatGPT, allowing us to obtain the artwork we desire from MidJourney. Without a well-crafted prompt, achieving the desired results can be challenging. Step 1. Select the MidJourney prompt in ChatGPT. Step 2. Type a description of the type of pictures you want to create. For our demonstration, we will use brave knights defending a castle from a fire-breathing dragon. ChatGPT will then generate for MidJourney prompts for you. Review these prompts and select the ones you'd like to use in MidJourney to generate your desired images. Now that we have our prompts, I am going to pick this one to create art in MidJourney. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through using MidJourney, an innovative platform that combines AI and art to create unique and stunning visuals. MidJourney offers 3 pricing tiers: Basic plan at $10, Standard plan at $30, and Pro plan at $60. To use MidJourney, you'll need to download and install Discord, as the service operates through a dedicated Discord channel. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create AI-generated art with MidJourney using the prompts from ChatGPT. Step 1. Join the MidJourney Discord channel. After installing Discord, navigate to the MidJourney Discord channel using the provided invitation link or searching for it within the Discord app. Step 2. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT. In the appropriate text channel within the MidJourney Discord server, paste the prompt you've selected from ChatGPT to guide the AI in generating your desired images. Step 3. MidJourney generates a preview image. MidJourney will process your prompt and create a single preview image containing 4 different image options based on your input. Step 4. Preview the images. Click on the preview image to enlarge it, allowing you to view and compare the 4 generated images in detail. Step 5. Choose your preferred image. To select your favorite image, type U1, U2, U3, or U4 in the text channel, corresponding to the image you'd like to download. Step 6. Explore image variants. If you want to see variations of your selected image, type V1, V2, V3, or V4 in the text channel. MidJourney will generate and display additional versions based on your selection. Step 7. Save the image to your computer. Once you're satisfied with the final image, right-click on it and choose Save Image As to download and save it to your computer. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create stunning AI-generated art using MidJourney and the prompts from ChatGPT. Enjoy the creative process and explore the endless possibilities of AI-generated artwork. If you want to create captivating art like this, or if you want to create like that, you now have the freedom to create great art pieces. The combination of AIPRM, ChatGPT, and MidJourney offers an unparalleled creative experience. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and following the steps we've outlined, you can effortlessly generate stunning artwork tailored to your vision. Once you have your picture, you can save it, print it, or even sell it, unlocking endless possibilities for your creations. So, dive in and unleash your creativity with these innovative tools, and watch as your artistic ideas come to life like never before. You enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends. We appreciate your support and thank you for watching.